The Dracast LED500 Pro lights is a lighting solution I picked up at the end of 2016. I used them all throughout 2017, and I bought them to replace some impact lighting I had. And the impact lighting was this big, and each light had like 4 compact fluorescents, and I just wanted something a little more modern and up to date, and also with a smaller form factor. And something that I could, a little more portable that didn't just block out the whole office, which they kind of did because of the diffuser that they had. They were just big and bulky. But LED lighting was a bit expensive at the time. And so I had put it off until I got a great deal on them. And they've been tried and tested now. I like them, and I figured now's about a good time to share them with you. I actually have 2 of these lights. I have one here and I have one here. And I only have one on right now, actually, because that's really all I need. And that's all I've really kind of been using throughout the year. I probably started using both of them simultaneously. I have other lights in my office. I have some hue bulbs and stuff like that to kind of create some ambiance. But the Dracast lights are really good. And like I said, I only need one. I use 2, like if I'm doing product shots and I move things to a different area in the office and I want to get some good lighting in it, I'll move them around. I'll use both of them. But for this talking headshot, like what I'm doing right now, I just got the one. There's not a lot of controls to these lights. There's no remote control or anything like that. But I pretty much set them and forget them. There's a power switch. There's a light intensity switch. There is a color temperature switch, which varies between 3200 to 5600 Kelvin, and they're fed by an XLR input that feeds into a power supply that comes included in the kit. It also has a V-mount connector if you want to do some remote shooting. Keep in mind, battery is not included. It also comes with a nylon travel bag, so if you plan on moving these things around, you're ready to go. And they are portable, clocking in at 4 pounds. They're 12 inches wide, 6 inches tall, and 2 inches deep. The MSRP for these lights is $699.95, but you can get them on B&H Photo for $249.95. And if you check their site often, they do go on sale. You can actually get them cheaper than that. Again, that'll include the LED light, the nylon travel bag, the power supply. It does not include the tripod. I'm using the Dracast DS500 spring-loaded stand, which you can also get on B&H Photo for $29.97. As a point of reference, I'm using only one light at the moment for this talking headshot, and I have the intensity set to 40%, and I have the color temperature set to 4000 Kelvin, and I like that. I'm happy with that. Again, a nice thing about LED lighting is you can vary the intensity and you can vary the color temperature if you get a decent set, if you get a decent light set. And that was not true with my old compact fluorescent setup from Impact. Anyway, I really like the look and feel of these Dracast lights. They have served me well. They're nice looking. They have a good industrial design. They're not flimsy or cheap. They have a good weight to them. They have like this aluminum body, a beautiful blue color. So they actually look nice too. And of course, the more important thing is they perform superbly. Anyway, that's all I got. As always, I've left a link to everything discussed in this video in the description below. If you have questions or comments, leave them in the comments section below. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. If you really liked it, hit that subscribe button. And until next time, be kind to one another.